today's digital world, cybersecurity is more important than ever. Every day, our personal and professional lives rely on digital systems, from online banking to business operations. But with this convenience comes risk. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, targeting individuals, businesses, and even governments. This course from RMARMA Digital Academy is designed to give you a solid foundation in cybersecurity, whether you're a beginner, an IT professional, or a business owner. You'll learn how to protect your data, understand the latest threats, and develop the skills needed to keep digital environments safe. Let's explore what you'll gain from this comprehensive program and why it's essential for everyone in the digital age. This course goes beyond theory, offering practical lessons and real-world case studies. You'll start by mastering core cybersecurity principles, such as the CIA confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Next, you'll dive into governance, risk, and compliance frameworks like ISO 27001 and GDPR, learning how to align security strategies with legal and business needs. Through hands-on simulations, you'll practice ethical hacking and penetration testing using professional tools, simulating real-world scenarios. You'll also develop incident response skills, learning how to detect, respond to, and recover from cyber incidents. By blending technical exercises with analytical thinking, you'll build a portfolio of skills that prepare you for roles like security analyst or penetration tester. As technology advances, so do cyber threats. This course keeps you ahead by exploring the latest trends, including AI-powered cybercrime, cloud security risks, and the impact of IoT and blockchain. You'll analyze how these technologies shape the threat landscape and learn proactive strategies to address new challenges. Whether you're aiming for a career in cybersecurity or simply want to protect your digital life, you'll finish the course ready to analyze risks, strengthen defenses, and respond effectively to incidents. No prior experience is needed, just curiosity and a willingness to learn. By the end, you'll be equipped to defend, investigate, and manage cybersecurity risks in any organization, setting the stage for a rewarding future in this rapidly growing field.